Hello everyone, welcome back to ReMended and Revival. My name is Coral, and today we're not going to be at the sewing machine. We're going to be outside and working on planting a vegetable garden as a beginner. That's the way I do things around here. I have just picked up 2 raised beds from Costco, and they're metal raised garden beds. And I'm actually also going to be doing some work in the ground, which I haven't done since I was a little kid. Let's just get into it. Let's not be afraid. Let's try some new things. And in the process, maybe find a new hobby that we fall in love with, and hopefully growing some incredible food. It is the weekend here in Vermont. It's Saturday morning, and oh my goodness, let me tell you something. There is a storm coming. I just saw a lightning strike. I haven't heard the thunder after it, so I think it's far enough away. There's the thunder. Anyway, I know on this channel I usually talk about upcycling and sewing and maybe some travel, but I also love to dabble in gardening. I'm not great, but I'm also not scared. Does that sound familiar? I'm one of those people that will just try. So I do have a few, 5 raised garden beds on my outdoor patio, but I picked up 2, I don't know if it's called Vigo Gardens. I've actually seen this company before. They have metal raised beds. I love them. I found them on Costco online. So I ordered 2 of the 10-in-1 modular raised garden beds. You guys, I, by myself, put these together. I think they are, maybe it's 9 feet by 2.5 feet, something like that. So it's long and skinny. I put it together by myself. One maybe took 40 minutes, probably 30 if I wasn't like taking my time. Super simple. I used just the materials and the tools they provided in the box. Could you use a drill? Of course. Would it go faster? Probably. Did I care? No. I did what I wanted to do. But let me show you the box. So this is the box that I got, and it's this company, Vigo, I don't know, Vigo. Like I said, I was gonna actually buy from this company last year from their site, but when I saw it on Costco, and I wanna say it was $145 for one of these, but it'll last 20 years, and I'm fine with that, and it's a light green and it's really pretty. But I'm really excited about them. So I put them both together, finished the second one this morning, and I'm going to be working on filling the beds and possibly figuring out what I'm going to do and what I'm going to plant in them. But let me show you a sneak peek before they're filled. It's scary out here, hold please. There's one, and there's the other. I have, oh my gosh, it's pouring. Anyway, these rods in the middle are for support. I still have to put them in, but we're gonna go inside. But yeah, I'm really excited.
Hey mama, could you get up soon? I get so cold in the other room. Here I am, honey, half awake. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay.
Here's the best part: if you have lots of cardboard to use, you can fill up your raised bed gardens with the cardboard, water it, then fill it with sticks, leaves, branches, and then fill it with your raised bed soil or compost, whatever you have. And you gotta take the tape off. No tape in here. I gotta get that off. I tried my best on the others, but that snuck past me. But it's a great way to use your cardboard.
Be okay. Morning star clearing
sitting down on the ground behind one of my raised garden beds that I have planted, all with tomatoes. And as you can see, my two dogs are right next to me, but in the only ounce of shade there is in the front of my yard. I am trying to work on adding topsoil and garden soil that's enriched with compost in this section here behind me. I'm going to plant not only in my two raised beds, but also in the ground. And I'm going to do seeds. And it is right now, July 2nd in Vermont. So our growing season, I should really know when the first frost is. I don't know. Could it be the end of September, early October? Yes, something like that. I am sweating up a storm. If it looks like I am, I totally am. Anyway, I'm trying to get some seeds in. I picked up some seeds today at Gardener Supply, and yeah, I'm gonna try to get some seeds in and see if I can grow something in the ground, because I'll feel pretty badass if I can. So that's my plan. And I have to work around these two yahoos, but it makes it much more fun. All right, back to work. I'm just doing a combination of topsoil and garden soil that has compost in it.
Hey Pepper, give us a shake in the newborn grass. You're sure to find a snake. Don't let the serpent change your pace. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. There's a dream weaver that won't let me alone, and it turns my heart into a heavy stone.
Can we just take a moment to look at all of these tomatoes growing on this plant? Look. All different sizes. And then this one has one little baby one growing here and back. I think you've got, it's hard to focus. This one, oh, these two. Good. I will be impressed if my seeds grow with my dog walking. Hey Jojo, off please, come on, off. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what seeds come up. I'm gonna be okay with it no matter what. So in our beds on the base, we have the cardboard, and then we have some sticks, and then we have peat moss to kind of fill things up, and then a combination of compost and raised bed garden soils and topsoils. We just kind of mixed them all in. I don't have a science for this, but I'm just filling it with hopefully good enough material. That's my hope. Filling these beds, I think it's about $150 worth of materials in both of these beds each. So like $300 probably total that I bought for all of these areas. So it's expensive, but will be worth it. These are the big guys.
Get yourself moving. Get yourself moving. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay.
Thank you so much for watching me make my raised garden beds and my garden that is in the soil. I really hope they turn out, and if they don't, I'm gonna learn something from it, so that's what matters most. Thank you for being here. If this is your first time here and you enjoyed this, it would make me so happy if you subscribe to my channel. It's such a young channel still, and you liking this video and subscribing to my video will really help YouTube push this content to other people like you. Thank you, and I will see you next time.